Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more academic videos about chemistry and biology concepts. And today we're going to still learn about general chemistry in advanced level, specifically Form 5. Let's go. We're going to learn about amendments of Dalton atomic theory. But before we start, let's just look at the 5 postulates that were put forward by Dalton. Number 1, he said matter is made up of small indivisible particles called atoms. Atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Atoms of the same element are similar, especially in mass. Atoms of different elements are different, especially in mass. Atoms of different elements combine, and when they do so, they do in small whole number ratios. That were the 5 postulates that Dalton had put forward. But later on, the scientists did the experiment and they discovered more things about atomic structure, and this made Dalton postulate look some sort of invalid. First is discovery of 3 subatomic particles. Matter was made up of small particles called atoms, yes, but these small particles were not indivisible. They could be further divided into 3 subatomic particles, that is proton, neutron, and electrons. Atom can be destroyed, atom can be created through nuclear fission and nuclear fusion respectively. And this can be done either artificially or naturally. Thereafter, there was discovery of isotopes, whereby isotopes are atoms of the same element with different mass numbers. Example is uranium-238 and uranium-235. They are both atoms of uranium, but they have different mass number. We have carbon-12, 14, and 13. They are all atoms of the same element, but they have different mass number. Thereafter, there was discovery of isobars, whereby isobars were the atoms of different elements with the same mass number. We have carbon-14, nitrogen 14, and oxygen 14. They are atoms of different elements, but they have the same number. The same applies to the argon, potassium, and calcium. They are atoms of different elements, but they have different mass number. We have chlorine 40 and sulfur 40. They are also example of isobars. They are atoms of different elements, but they have same mass number. Atoms of different elements can combine using variable ratio of whole numbers, as opposed to Dalton, who had said that atoms of different elements combine and they do so in small whole number ratios. That is it about modern Dalton atomic theory, or amendment of Dalton atomic theory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the button below to subscribe for the next video. Thank you.